Everybody, I found this bird near the place I'm swimming. This bird, it comes when I'm throwing him peanuts, but every time I throw one, he get closer to me. That's why I'm throwing. You see, he's coming. All right, he's coming closer. That's another peanut. Get it? Okay, another one. Throw one peanut more. All right. This is the kind of bird that is close to the beach where I'm swimming. In one of my previous videos, I showed it. Well, that's all. That's all for the video. I'm gonna finish this. I have 2 peanuts left. Let's see what he can do. This, I'm gonna throw it closer. Okay. Now I'm gonna follow him. He's running. Okay, I'm gonna leave him alone. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you.